Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. -4 minus 7 times k equals 6 minus 5 times k. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Add 5 times k to both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives -2 times k minus 4 equals 6. Add 4 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives -2 times k equals 10. The variable coefficient is -2. Divide both sides by -2 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute -5 for k. Both sides equal 31, so the equation balances. So, k equals -5.